Hello everyone, I'm Jiawei Yan, and today I'm presenting Milestone 5, where Ethermart evolves to support multi-channel customer data using a hybrid architecture that connects MariaDB with MongoDB, and our focus is real-world analytics value, not just in the database features. Okay. So, our customers interact through the website, mobile app, and customer support. And this generates large volumes of behavioral logs that grow rapidly and change frequently. And a relational schema cannot evolve fast enough, so we need a flexible NoSQL solution. Okay, a hybrid architecture means best tool for each workload. MariaDB keeps OLTP transactional integrity, and MongoDB ingests behavior data with flexible JSON documents. And together, we can analyze that customers do, not only what they buy. And data lakes store raw data cheaply and allows Sigma on read. And warehouses store curated data sets for BI. And this hybrid design enables Ethermart to adopt both in future analytics expansion. Okay, data flows from transactional operations to NoSQL analytics via ETL snapshots. And MongoDB never replaces MariaDB. It complements it by adding behavioral intelligence, and the security boundaries prevent cross-platform vulnerabilities. Okay, so here we installed MongoDB on EC2 and confirmed the service is running locally. Command focus, system, CTL status. Mongo's ensure high availability and system dash level control. And this prepares the NoSQL analytics environment. Okay, so next we extended Ethermar's architecture to support multi-channel analytics. Here I created a new MongoDB database called Ethermart NoSQL and a collection named Clickstream to store user browsing behavior. And this allows us to capture metadata such as device type, referral source, and country. As Ethermart scales into mobile and web experiences, this data is crucial for understanding product discovery patterns. So here's a demo for insert and query click stream. And this screenshot shows realistic user actions inserted into MongoDB, viewing a product, adding a cart, and searching a category, and navigating from a marketing campaign. And then I curated the top 3 records to confirm successful ingestion. And this proves MongoDB is now capturing behavior data in real time. And I run aggregation to group actions by behavior types. And this allows us to understand what users do most frequently, and we can quickly see a balance across viewing and searching and adding to cart, and which is great feedback for our recommendation engine and conversation funnel optimization. And to keep queries fast at scale, I created a composite index on customer ID and timestamp, And this improves performance when retrieving a user's latest interactions. And a key capability for personalization, session insights, and customer support. So beyond clickstream, MongoDB also stores unstructured chat logs. And this supports sentiment analysis and case resolution tracking with both behavioral data and customer conversations. We unlock richer customer experience insights and reduce support friction. Okay, so for security hardening to secure production data, authentication and RBAC enabled, binding limited to local access, no public exposure, and protection for customer PII. And this aligns with enterprise-grade compliance and prevents unauthorized access. So this demo screenshot shows how I created a privileged MongoDB admin user with a strong password and role-based permissions. And this ensures only authorized administrator can manage the database. And this step verifies successful authentication. We can confirm RBAC is active and access is strictly controlled, a major requirement for hybrid sensitive data environments. So next, we integrated structured operational data with our NoSQL system. And this slide summarizes the ETL process. Orders were exported from MariaDB Galera into a DSV and imported into MongoDB as a new collection, verified for correctness. And this shows either Mart can unify structured orders with user actions. Okay, so this is the demo for the hybrid data validation. And this result here proved the ETL worked as designed. First, row count matches. Second, files correctly transformed. And the third, order data now query ready for downstream analytics. And with this, we can now analyze a customer's behavior and their purchasing history together. Okay, now let's take a look at the business value. With these hybrid architectures, either market gains faster behavior analytics, improves product recommendations, richer customer 360, boosts retention and conversations, and the better support intelligence reduces case volume, and the future-proof design scalable across more channels and data types, and ultimately better decisions, faster insights, and higher revenue impact. Okay, so now is the AI reflection. So throughout this project, I used AI tools, ChatGPT to learning and implementation. Initially, I was unfamiliar with MongoDB authentication and indexing strategies. AI provided step-by-step guidance, corrected multiple command errors, and helped refine my approach to ETL validation and aggregation pipelines. And AI greatly improved the development speed and confidence, especially when debugging syntax issues or optimizing queries. At the same time, I learned its limitations. It occasionally generated outdated commands or assumptions about my environment, requiring me to cross-check with documentation and validate results directly on the server. So overall, using AI not only helped me complete the milestone faster, but also deepened my understanding of hybrid data architectures and responsible tool usage. and it improved my skills, but engineering judgment remained essential. So this is everything for the Milestone 5. So hope to see you again.